I don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper, and somehow you turn to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that we're both on the same page. I don't want it to complicate. I know you're riding away. Is there room for us both on the same wave? Nothing breaks so clearly when there's love on the line. My best friend told me someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Oh, why, oh, why, oh, why would I, when you were barely even mine? Oh, why, oh, why, oh, why would I, would I? Yeah, I should've known from the start that you were.
We're here at Cap John Hay. Nag-drop by lang kami to take what? Pictures! So, tingnan nyo yung nilalakaran namin. Wait. Taas! Nakakahingal! What the frick? Sakit sa paa!
Buti hindi ako nagsapatos.
Sakit sa tuhod.
Rocks is the key.
This is the view!
Bakit pa din?
This is the view. Wala pa kami sa half. Hingal na hingal na. Nakakahingal.
That's why.
So taas. Look. Wow!
Siguro yung mga...
Happy New Year! Charis.
Siguro yung mga taga-Baguio. Sobrang
What?
fit ng katawan nila kasi puro
Mataas.
uphill.
Share mo lang.
If you wanna wait on better days, no, I can't control it.
This is my view.
You're my best view. Alam mo yun? I love the view. You're my best view.
Where are we?
Baguio City.
No. Ito mismo.
Cafe Stella by LeBron James.
So, we're here at Cafe Stella. Dito kami mag-breakfast. So, yeah. Sobrang ganda here, I swear. Tingnan natin kung masarap din yung food. So, yeah. Let's try!
It's been a while since we last could describe it. All the problems we were facing, survive them. We can really never try to prescribe it, but now I'm looking at a love I can confide in. I will be there if you wanna stay, and I bet you know where you know it. If you wanna wait on better days, no, I can't control it.
So, update. We're done eating. So, yung food, It's good. It's delicious. I swear, 10 out of 10. I would recommend this place. Medyo malayo lang siya and mataas. Pero masarap at worth it naman. I swear. What the view. Hi! Nahilo ko. What the freak? So yeah. I would recommend Cafe Stella. Visit them. Itogon or Itogon. Basta yun, yung ano niya, here sa Baguio. So yeah. Masarap yung chicken pesto pasta, yung chicken alfredo, yung daeng, yung tapa, and what else. Basta ayun yung kinain namin. So ayun pala yung natikman namin. And so far so good. It's all delicious. So yeah, let's go!
I will be there if you wanna stay. And I bet you know it. If you wanna wait on better days, no, I can't control it.
Ang grabe.
Yeah. Uy, wala pa.
Ano nga?
Sili ng Baguio.
Oh my gloves.
Sarap.
Ano?
Hindi mataas sa ano niya. Malakas to, si Jojo.
Hindi ka naanghangan?
Sakto lang.
Ang dami nun
From far away she looks so good. Grew up in the same neighborhood, and that's how to rub salt in the wound. Spend a few hours on the reservoir. Never broke a bone, so I'm gonna try hard to prove you wrong. That I'm not who I used to be. I'm not living at 17. Let's go.
Hi guys! I think hindi ako nakapag proper intro kanina because nung nag-video ako, nasa biyahe na kami noon. And yes, I'm trying to be more productive sa pag-vlog ng trip na to dahil it's a special moment to me. Kasi ngayon na lang ulit ako bakit ng Baguio. And I'm with my boyfriend and my family. So, yung last kong punta ng Baguio is 2019 pa. Yung araw na nagkaroon ng ashfall. Yun pa yung araw na last kong punta sa Baguio. And now na lang ulit. Imagine, sobrang tagal na. But yeah, I miss Baguio and sobrang daming nagbago. Sobrang dami ko rin napuntahan sa first day pa lang because of tita and tito. So ayun, welcome to this vlog and I hope you enjoy watching this. And yeah, so bale magiging 3 days kami here, 3 days 2 nights. Umalis kami kaninang madaling araw ng 2 a.m. Actually 2:30 na ata yun. Then nakadating kami ng Baguio around 6:45. And then una namin pinuntahan is Cafe Stella. Guys, I swear 10 out of 10. Like, as in 10 out of 10 talaga. The place, the food, kaya lang, medyo pricey siya. Pero, worth it naman yung price niya sa food. Especially the pasta. Yun talaga siguro yung trademark nila. Except sa mga coffee. So, yan. 10 out of 10 sa place. Yung makikita nyo doon is nature view talaga. As in, sobrang ganda. Hindi siya ma-justify ng kahit anong camera. As in, pag nandun ka, like, mafe-feel mo na you're relaxed. Na, mafe-feel mo na, nasa Baguio ako. Kasi sobrang lamig doon. And ang ganda ng view. Open area siya. Medyo mataas lang papunta doon. Pero, hindi naman siya katulad ng mga malalang mataas na road. You know what I mean? But yeah, I swear, if pupunta ka ng Baguio, you should try that cafe. Sa Itogon siya. Itogon? I don't know. But yeah. And then after that, we went to... Saan ba kami nagpunta? I think sa The Mansion. Nag-buy kami ng mangga. Sobrang anghang niya, I swear. For tonight, we will go to Grappy Joe. It is an annual tradition kila Tita Denise. Dahil, like, kada akyat nila ng Baguio, hindi talaga mawawala yung Grappy Joe kahit luma man na branch or bago. Talaga kumakain talaga kami sa Grappy Joe. Kami, kala mo naman lagi. Pero yun, simula dati pa, kumakain na talaga kami sa Grappy Joe. And, yeah. Later, magna-night market kami sa food and sa ukay. I'll try to video if ever wala masyadong tao. But yeah, thank you so much guys. And I hope you will enjoy this. See you sa mga next na pupuntahan namin.
10 feet away, she's like a primrose. Never taking me alive, so come close. Now I know why you said it, 'cause I'm reading every word in your voice. Now I'm not who I used to be. And maybe it's a good thing, a good thing. Got a good thing coming, it's a good thing. But when I
So good at that.
Yambare, yambare.
Baka na.
Aigo!
Ay, Korean na yun. Yeah! What the freak?
we used to be.
We're on our way to the night market. We're so excited. I'm so excited. I want the 10 pesos fish cake there.
Hot shot in the middle of the road night.
Hot shot in the middle of the Baguio City.
Wala na, corny na.
On the way sa night market.
Sana makabili ako ng baggy brief.
What the heck?
We're not who we used to be, and maybe that's a good thing. We're not who we used to be, and maybe that's a good thing. Sometimes I'm a loner. I wish that you lived closer. Maybe then I feel alright. Sometimes I get strung out trying to be myself. When you come close, I feel alive. Maybe that's a good thing.
So, we're now cooking. We're home. Di na kami nakapag-video sa night market because it's so dangerous maglabas ng gadget.
Gordon Ramsay. Oh.
And now we're cooking. No, we're reheating food.
We're not who we used to be, and maybe that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Sometimes I get strong.
Hi guys! It's day 2! Day 2! Hindi na ako nakapag-video ng pag-gising namin, ng pag-ayos namin. Kasi late na kami nagising. Supposedly, we're gonna wake up at 7 or 8. Pero nagising kami. Guess what? It's 10 na! So, ayun, nagmamadali kami. Dahil marami pa kami pupuntahan. So yeah, outfit check. I'm wearing this blue sweater. And this white sandal. And Adidas skirt. And my special from my boyfriend. So yeah. Now, I think we're walking papunta sa Carinderia. Kasi doon kami mag-lunch and then... Oh no, hindi nyo na ako nakikita. Doon kami magla-lunch. And next is yung pinaka-pupuntahan na namin, which is, I think, La Trinidad. So, yeah. See you later! Grabe, kahit sobrang araw sa Baguio, hindi mo mararamdaman yung araw. Sobrang lamig. I think it's 15 degrees ngayon. Kagabi talaga madaling araw, mga 1. Nag-14 degrees. Sobrang lamig. Sobrang lamig. Anong masasabi mo? It's our second day. What are your plans today?
Sana extend 2 days more.
Absent ako 2 days.
1 month hanggang February.
Tara. Ito tayo tira.
Papaalam na ako kay Tito Roy mo, may renta ako Airbnb sa buwan. Kung January lang eh. Kasi malamig eh.
Maglalaban na lang tayo damit.
Hi, we're here at Bell Church. Philly. Fish. Anong fish yang iba?
Dati, do you know the why they
But
are
they're
looking
scared.
at you?
But they're scared because they're staring at me.
Yeah, they're all staring at you.
Fun fact mga kababayan. Kaya nakatingin sa amin ng isda. Natatakam sila sa amin.
Sarap! We're exploring the Bell Church. Actually, my entrance fee here, it's 20 pesos. And yung mga children like her, 10 years old below, is free. Pero yung parking, 20 pesos if you have car. Grabe. Ang taas nitong Bell Church, as in. Oy. Mataas. Pero, like, puro hagdan. Para makapunta ka sa magandang view, pupunta ka muna. Ay, aakyat ka muna ng mga hagdan. Look. Look at the view! Lapit na tayo sa end. Tapos bababa naman. Look at the view, guys. Wow! Ah,
Oh,
maganda yung view. Pero nakakapagod siya. Bayad ka ng 20 pesos para mag-exercise. Yeah. Pero maganda yung place if you want to take some pictures. If gusto nyo ng gantong vibes, pwede kayo here. At ako, hingal na kami. Look! Look! The view!
is this the end? 1/3.
That's the bell. That's why it's called Bell Church. Look at the bell. The bell is here.
1, 2, 3, 4. Don't know how it's 5 a.m. again. One too many episodes of Friends. Stupid boys call me rereading texts. Though it makes me sick, I can't seem to quit the adrenaline. Wasting my youth in pressing the snooze when the sun's still of youth in. Why do I do this? I'm being stupid, testing my limits now. Don't feel alive when I'm awake. Not sure if I'm okay. Been feeling like my body's about to break. Too melatonin deep, still can't put me to sleep. I'm laying here forever, counting
Sumayad. Alay mo, sumayad si Dice.
Sabi ni Daphne, my God.
TI mo waste. Uy, dito pa rin papuntang Atok. Ay, ka, waste.
Punta ato ka.
Dito, tapos yung papunta ng Itogo, yung
At yung
Cafe
ay pala
Stella.
doon ngayon yung mga
I've heard something said, wanting me upset. Nothing's sinking in. Don't feel alive when I'm awake. Not sure if I'm okay. Been feeling like my body's about to break. Too melatonin deep, still can't put me to sleep. I'm laying here forever, count sheep. I'm counting sheep, replacing memories that wish I could redesign.
Never back down, never what?
Never give up! Tama na! Tapusin na natin to!
Bakit?
Sawa-sawa na ako! Pagod na ako!
Ayusin natin to, Deya.
Ayoko na! Ayoko na! Ayoko na!
Ay, mga araw na
Umaga sa
sama tayo
dalawa. Bitias doon sa aking mga mata.
Ay,
Sabay na tayo kasi kayo natin. Tama na.
Kahapon pala, ang ginawa namin is naka-4 na kain kami sa loob ng 4 na oras.
Hindi ako nakapag-vlog actually kasi wala lang. In-enjoy lang namin moment, yung pagkain. Pero hindi ko kinalimutan mag-take ng video sa kinain na namin para doon ko na lang ilalagay yung information.
Ang ganda ng pinuntahan namin kaso di ko alam yung Ivan Voyjoy. Tama ba?
Via Bonjoy.
Via Bonjoy. Ang ganda.
Good morning! Hinihingal ako kasi ako una niya pinag-drive. We're here at Burnham Park. Wala, para lang ma-experience niya kasi... What, Jo? Para lang ma-experience niya kasi first time niya lang here sa Baguio.
No hands.
Jo! So, ayun. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kahapon kasi wala. Ang ginawa lang talaga namin is kumain ng kumain.
Nagukay.
Ang pinuntahan lang namin na tourist spot is
Bell Church.
Bell Church. Doon lang ako nag-vlog.
Ang mga buhatang to.
Doon lang ako nag-vlog na nag-talk. Kasi yun lang talaga yung chance na makapag-talk ako. Kasi ang ginawa lang namin is kumain lang kami ng kumain. As in, 4 ata na iba't ibang kainan yung napuntahan namin. Tapos, nag-SM Baguio din kami. Tapos, nag-night walk kami nung mga madaling araw na mga 12 ata yun or 1. So, ayun. Hindi rin ako masyado nakapag-vlog kahapon dahil nga late na kami nagising lahat. And ngayon din, hindi ako nakapag-vlog ng pag-aayos ko kasi nagdudugo yung ilong ko. Actually, hindi ako masyado nakatulog dahil sa ilong ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nagdudugo. Simula pag-uwi namin from McDo. Nagdudugo na siya until 4. Tapos nakatulog ako saglit. Mga saktong 6. Nagdugo ulit siya. Nagising ako. So, ayun. Nung mga 6:20, nag-prepare na kami parito kasi mamayang 11 check out na namin, so kailangan namin i-manage yung time. At yeah, kami dalawa lang nag-Burnham Park kasi nga gusto ko siyang dalhin dito kasi first time niya.
Gusto ko na mag-bike.
Pasikat kasi
Ayaw
siya.
niya sa tubig. Bullshit.
Tatry nga natin eh, di ba?
Yung joy.
Yung ngayon nagdudugo yung ilong ko. Paputol-putol lang siya. Pero nagdudugo pa rin siya. Kaya bumili ako ng wipes. Hindi kasi hindi na kinakaya ng tissue yung ilong ko. Ayun, normal lang sa akin magdugo yung ilong, guys. Don't worry. Like, kahit kapag ka super saya ko, super sad, super stress, nagdudugo talaga yung ilong ko. Ngayon, hindi ko alam. Hindi naman ako sobrang saya.
Ano mo, motor dito?
Hindi rin ako malungkot, hindi din ako stress. Hindi ko alam talaga, baka dahil sa lamig, ano kasi yung
Panahon?
hindi, masakit sa ilong yung hangin, lalo na kapag gabi. Like, diretso talaga siya sa ilong mo.
Sa mukha, no? Hapdi sa mukha.
Yeah. So, ayun. Yung outfit ko, nakasando lang ako, guys.
Ako, galing ukay, oh.
Kaya ako nag-jacket. Ayun, isa din yun. Nag-ukay pala sila kahapon sa may Bell Church banda. Okay naman, medyo pricey siya for ukay. Pero branded naman siya and good as new. Yung quality niya. So, okay na din
Sobrang
siya.
good. Pero medyo, pricey.
Yeah, for ukay.
Kahit sa, market, tag yung night market, medyo pricey yung mga magaganda nilang, okay.
Ayun guys, today is our last day. So, di ko alam kung saan kami next. Or di ko alam saan kami after this. Or after checkout. But yeah, it's our last day. And may pasok na kami tomorrow sa school. Tapos na yung Christmas break and Sem break namin. So yeah, enjoy muna namin yung moment. Bye! See you later!